First of all, Doctor, congratulations on this achievement.
Thanks.
I would like to know your name and rank achieved and batch and place you're from.
Dr. Amit Roy, AIMS rank 15, RK2 batch, Kolkata.
Very good. How would you join IMS?
Uh,
And who told you about it actually in terms? And what has been your experience so far?
my seniors give me suggestion to join the IMS because they are by IMS they score a great rank. So I follow their suggestion.
You joined a
and-
regular batch?
Yes, regular batch.
Very good. And what do you feel about the faculty of IMS? Did they taught you well, and what exactly you had some complaints or what?
The faculties are very good in IMS. All the teachers are very good, and regarding the questions which are based on basic knowledge, these are taught very good in IMS.
Very good. Okay. How would you rank the literature and the course contents which were there in the material provided to you by IMS?
The materials in IMS is error free. That's the first point. And each and every line in the IMS book, there is an MCQ question. I think so. So I have to read very carefully each and every line because I think each and every line is a question.
Very good. So in an overall, you had a very nice experience about the material and literature which is provided to you.
Exactly.
What do you feel about the various test sessions like online, FTS, subject based? What do you feel about them? Do you feel that they really help?
Yes, they help, but I feel it is very hard for me because I could not get so much marks in the FTS. But after going through the FTS, the knowledge will be gradually improved, and that will help at the last moment.
So it is really good.
It is really good.
Okay. Do you suggest that there can be some more improvement can be done in this? Do you have any suggestion?
Yes, regarding FTS, there is a few questions which are asked in previous year, but in the recent trend there are a lot of questions which are repeated from the previous year. So I think if there are some previous year's question, that will be helpful, and that will be practicing for the students.
What do you think about the group discussion part which used to held in the class?
A group discussion part is very essential, and the teachers in IMS and the discussion between teachers and student is very helpful to explore the hidden part by probable question. The teacher suggests the probable question which can come in the next exams.
Okay.
That is very essential, and they told us that which is most important for the next session. That is also helpful. There is very little time, so nobody can read all the things. So
group discussion really
group discussion
helps.
very helpful.
Even if you're losing something somewhere, you can really gain out of it.
Exactly.
Or you may mark it for, oh, I forgot this, I'll do it.
I do it.
Okay. Really very good. And what do you suggest to the new joinees of IMS? Do you have any concrete suggestion for them? Any time schedule, anything which you can suggest to them? New joinees or maybe people who want to appear in the PG entrance?
In my opinion, the first step to get a good rank is to join the IMS. This is my word, and I am without IMS, without support, I think I could not score the rank in IMS AIMS. So. But one thing is there, along with IMS, there are the new joiners also prepared for last 10 years question, which are repeated so many times.
Very good. Very good. With this, I really thank you, Doctor, and wish you all the best for the future, and wish you a very happy future. Thank you.